Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Trick question number 3 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions is the transportation question for out of county and out of state. All right, so what are the judges going to do? They're going to say to you, well, let me ask you this. When was the last time you were out of the county? Oh, I don't know, about 6 months ago. When was the last time you were out of the state? About 9 months ago. Why are they asking that? Well, how far away is the county from where you live, right? How long can you sit in a car, right? Because we're all looking at how long you can sit to be able to do a job, so how long can you sit in a car? Can you sit in a car? Well, that's a bumpy car. How tall is the car? Is the car, a short car or a tall car? Is it easy for you to get in and out of? Where were you going? Were you going to meet friends so you get along with people, even though you say you don't get along with people? That's the whole point of the county and the out-of-state question. They're looking to see if you can integrate with others, how long you can sit, physical limitations, stuff like that. All right. Now I'm trying to make these questions short, to the point. Bottom line, on the 9th and every Thursday thereafter, I'll be doing live for probably about 2 hours, where I'll allow you guys to call in and I'll run questions with you, and I'll beat you up live on YouTube. We're going to run them as if the ALJs were asking them. Okay. So it'll be, for the record, go ahead and state your full name. And you'll give a fake name because of obviously all the audio, but I'll say full name, date of birth, current age, and are you left or right-handed, and that's where we'll begin. All right. Now on to question 4, but first, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have a unique question, you want the most up-to-date information, or you just want something done or whatever, shoot me an email, give me a call, and we'll go from there. Keep in mind, I'm super busy, so if you're not in like the Florida, Georgia region, it might take me a week to get back to you. Okay, and you got to keep bugging me because I got a million things I got to do. I work from when I wake up until I go to bed. All right. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you a little bit later on to question 4. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.